So today we want to talk about how to utilize social media in order to get your business up and running and off the ground. So when we started Bow & Co several months ago, that was one of the first things we had to figure out. How do we tell people about our business and why we can do it better than everyone else?
At Globo Gym, we're better than you, and we know it.
One of the fastest way we found in order to accomplish this goal is the utilization of social media platforms in order to get your word and your message out there. In this new internet age,
But in this internet age,
everyone tends to be online and they're constantly looking for new and exciting and engaging content. So that's really what we started out doing. How do we get people engaged? How do we get people excited about what we are excited about? Part of that is just simply putting yourself out there. With the exception of a few cases, no one starts out just being excellent at everything. And one of the prime examples has been really this whole YouTube experience. Since we are so new at all of this, we're still trying to figure out our identity on YouTube.
Who am I?
The first place we started was on Facebook. And Facebook was a really great place because it's already sort of set up for that. And it even has a lot of tools and integration for specifically businesses. And Facebook actually has a whole separate app or website, if you will, called the Business Suite. And what that does is it gives you tips and pointers in order for you as the user and the business owner, in order to push the right content to the right people.
We started out just doing Facebook Lives was one of our big things, just so people could see us, know that we're real people, that we're not like some scam Facebook page that's just randomly popped up and is now all of a sudden selling clothes.
We're scammers.
And they can kind of put faces with the names and just see everything aside from just seeing like the vendor pictures. They could actually come on live, we could chat, they could say, can you show us the front, back, side?
We show all of it.
It's also really helpful, like Jack said, to have the Business Suite on your phone. That is an app that you can download and it logs in with your main profile. All you have to do is connect when you make your business page, it just connects straight to your personal Facebook, and then you'll download the suite and sign in, and you can toggle back and forth between business page and your regular page. It's also super easy to integrate your Instagram if you have a business Instagram. Every time we post from our business page, it also posts to our Instagram. So now we have already 2 social media platforms that we're kind of reaching out to. And then now that we have the YouTube channel, we're also able to just kind of add everything in. We've also recently switched from my personal TikTok to a business TikTok, and you can sync those as well. So you can, on your TikTok, you can add your YouTube, and so it's super simple. At the top of your profile, it'll have your little YouTube icon and you can click that. So all these social medias, they go together and they can really help each other out. You can be posting on one and then simultaneously it goes to all 3. Jack's mentioned before about StreamYard and how that also helps.
Hey, we are a team.
But really, if you're just looking to do posts and those kinds of things, you can do Facebook and Instagram together. You can do your TikTok and YouTube together. They all can mesh very well together.
and together we are unstoppable.
With all the amount of people on the internet, it does not exist where there's just too much content out there. And odds are people are gonna run across your content, either fall in love with it or ignore it. It's really on you as the creator of that content, the business owner, to put the content out there that is gonna get them excited to want to try your products.
I want more.
Or try your business and whatever that model looks like.
And you might not be a social media person, you might not love it. You might say you don't want to be on social media at all.
God, have you been living under a rock?
That's fine for your personal page and everything like that, but everyone is online these days. Whether it's searching websites, searching Google, or they're on all these social media platforms.
Friends I met on the internet.
You've got to get yourself out there and get your brand and your business recognized on all these different platforms. They could go unnoticed for months, be terrible. Maybe you're just really bad at making reels and stuff.
Who are you?
who's going to find out? You might run into one person at the store. If you talk, they find out about it.
You know, after we ran into you at the grocery store.
Everything else is going to be online unless you have a brick and mortar somewhere. And even then, it's really hard to just have a storefront and then not get the word out. You've got to be online just like everyone else. You've got to find your platform. Find one for now that you're really, really comfortable with using. And then you can kind of expand like how we have. We started off just on Facebook, added the Instagram, now we've added the YouTube, and now we're kind of meshing into the TikTok world as well. So everything runs together, and that's what really keeps your business fresh and out there. And even if you're maybe not selling product, you're then on all these social media platforms. The world's kind of your oyster there. You can make money on social media, you can make money from your business, and that's even better.
I do like money.
If you guys found this video helpful, we just ask that you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also, I will have a link down in the description below for our website as well as our Facebook. And if you guys could head over to our Facebook and give us a follow, we're constantly uploading all kind of content there, as well as any kind of deals that we're running on the store. I mean, we're constantly running discounts. And so if you guys want to skim that website and just see if there's stuff on there that you may be interested in, and we are constantly updating with new content, more inventory. We just ask for your benefit and ours, just go and drop a follow on that Facebook.
And that's Life with Bo & Co.